Simple earthquake drill steps. Before the shake. Plan. Find safe spots, under tables, and danger spots, windows, tall furniture. Kit. Have water, food, first aid, and a flashlight ready. Secure. Strap down heavy furniture and water heaters. Practice. Do drop, cover, and hold on drills at least twice a year. During the shake, indoors, drop to your knees, cover your head and neck, and hold on to something sturdy, like a table. Stay away from windows. Outdoors, move to an open area, away from buildings and power lines. Drop, cover, and hold on. In a car, pull over to an open spot and stay inside until the shaking stops. After the shake, check. Check yourself and others for injuries. Safety first. Look for fire, gas leaks, or electrical damage. If you smell gas, leave immediately. Listen. Use a radio for official updates. Contact. Send a text to family to let them know you are safe. Be aware. Expect aftershocks and stay away from damaged buildings.